You came in, I think you people were inside theatre seeing cataract surgery, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So cataract surgery basically does not just mean number.
Yeah.
One thing that you should realize before you go into this. So if it is just number, then it matters. If I run faster than you, you run in 10 seconds, I run in 20 seconds, I am half behind. It's not exactly the same thing in surgery.
Right.
It depends on a person's inherent tone or a style of operating and the quality which that person wants to maintain.
Okay.
But still we know that a person who does faster than another person can maintain the same quality as that same person himself. So that also that person should realize. If a person is doing slow, if he has in his mind that I am doing it slow, that everything should come good, that idea he should try to change if he sees a better quality or a similar quality with the person who is doing faster than him. And also there are people who don't believe that their quality is not good.
Even though it is.
They do and go off. They don't know what is happening. We get the post-operative complication lists, which they don't see. And they remain in a state of mind that I have done 50, 40, everything is good, fine, happy, going again and operating. There are a few people like that also. It's not generalized statement, but
sure.
this exists. Some people feel that they cannot go beyond this. They cannot go beyond this. I cannot do beyond this. I try because they, from the morning 7 o'clock, they come and sit and sincerely do. But still, they do it very, very, very slowly. And it's almost same, or even little less than, quality less than other people. And they firmly believe that this is only what is possible by me. That also has to be made aware to them that it is not only, this is not the maximum of yours. You can improve by doing a little bit of that. We have to suggest to them, and for them to change is up to them. But by exposing the inadequacies or the capacities for them to improve, should make them feel that they should. If I tell them that you come and observe a person who is doing faster than you and try to get hints from them or clues from them, and if they don't respond, what does that mean? What does that mean?
They're uninterested.
So that also should should be projected to them, not to others, and not in front of everyone. It's a delicate issue. People will feel that they are inferior when their poor performance is displayed in front of others who are junior to them. That you should work out on.
So this also, you would want to include, I guess this is pretty obvious, but the complications percentage as well. So complication numbers.
Sure. So that
and
the post-operative and the intraoperative problems should be quantified. And uniformly quantified. So that we have to create this database, or an individualization of complication assessment should not be there. If I go and assess a complication, tell there is a severe complication. Next day another person comes and tells us this is okay complication, moderate. Then there is a disparity. So there is no quantification. For that we should develop something.